In this video, we are going to show how to construct an octagon within a square of side 50 millimeters. So based on our previous videos, we know how to construct a square of side 50 millimeters. So we're going to do that first, and then we're going to move on to the construction of the octagon. So first thing we need to do is draw a line AB 50 millimeters. We could extend this a bit using the arc tool, center start end, and B as center. We're going to construct the perpendicular. Using center start end, same 25 as well 60, same 25. Now we're going to bisect 50, center start end 50. Let's lengthen this a bit. Using the center start end, B as center, we describe an arc 50 to cut center start end from this point. We describe an arc 50 from B. We describe an arc 50. Lovely. Now we're going to connect all the points to get our square. Okay, so our square is completed. Next step, we're going to draw the diagonals for the square. Now we're going to use each corner of the square as centers and the radius equal to half the diagonal. We're going to draw arcs to cut the sides of the square. So we're going to use the tool center start end, going to construct our semicircles. Now we're going to switch to the object line, and what we're going to do is join adjacent points to the corners to complete the octagon. And that's it. That's the construction for our octagon within a square of side 50 millimeters.